Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make location map in GIS software, that is the ArcGIS software. This is the icon for the ArcGIS software. You just click here. See, ArcGIS software is opening. So you know that for the your PhD work or MPhil work or the any research work, you require the location map of your study area. So that is very important to us. So it is very easy to make such type of the location map or the study area map by using the this software. So for that purpose, we require the shape file. So today in our tutorial, we are explaining how to prepare the map of Nasik district study area. So Nasik district is located in the Maharashtra state of India. So for that purpose, we require the three shape file. One for India, second for the Maharashtra, and third one for the Nasik districts. For that purpose, even you can receive the some ready-made shape file on the Google. So you just click the Divya GIS. You just click the Divya GIS website. Here you can see the free spatial data. You just click here, then see. You can see the window free spatial data country level. Here we have a red font, the country level data. You just click the country level data. See, you will find that the for all the nation, all the countries, the shape file free of charge is available. If you want to take a shape file for India, you just click here I, then you will see the India. See here India and administrative areas. It means the shape file are available for the administrative area, that is the political boundary. So you just click the OK, then immediately download option will be available. So in this way you can download the shape file from the Divya GIS, or the various websites are available for this such type of the shape file. So this is the we now starting our work in ArcGIS. So this is the symbol for the add, that is the plus symbol. By using this symbol, you can insert your shape file which we are storage in our. So in this case, I storage all the shape files here in my local E drive. You just click the E drive. Here I make one folder. In this folder, I keep all the shape files. See, the shape file for India, shape file for Maharashtra, shape file of Nasik. These shape files you can import for your software. So see here. So one thing is very also important, that we want to insert the three shape file. For that purpose, you have to insert the data frame. The data frame for three data frame for the three shape file. So this is for first shape file for India. You just go here and insert the shape file of India. See, now same way you can insert the data frame for the Maharashtra. Here we have a shape data for the Maharashtra. Again you click here and add the shape file of the Maharashtra. Same thing, you can insert the data frame for the Nasik district also. You just click here again, insert the shape file of Nasik district. See, so now you can see the this is the border of the page border, but this map is out of our border. For that purpose, you have to make a page setting. So you just click the file, then page and print setup. Here you have to do a landscape option, then OK. See, now a lot of space is available. You can reorganize the location of your maps. So this is our very important map. So shape file of Nasik, you can enlarge the size. So by using this icon, you can enlarge size. Yes, this is the shape file for Nasik districts, and this is the for India. You can reorganize the location of all the shape files here. See. Now one thing you can observe here. So in the first shape file of India, all the states are shown by using the only one a single color, that is the light green color. In second shape file, all the district of Maharashtra are shown by using the single light blue colors. But we want to show in the first map only the make the dark color of the Maharashtra state, and remaining all color we don't require. So you just remove the color of all the states and you keep the only one color, dark color for the Maharashtra state. So and in the second shape file we want to show the only the Nasik district, and the color of the all the other districts we have to remove. So it can done with help of the this process. You just click here. If you want to remove the color of the states of various states of the except Maharashtra, we want to remove the color of all the states. We just go here, click on the shape file of the India, the properties, then symbology, categorize, and here you add the state names. So all the state names are added. See, now you can see the new color for each country is assigned here. Same thing you can do for in the case of Maharashtra. You just click on the shape file of Maharashtra, the properties, then symbology, categorize, add the name of districts. Yes, see. Now in same thing like India, you can see the each and every district have a separate color. But again, I would like to say that we don't require the color for the other state. We just highlight the Maharashtra in India shape file and the Nasik district in Maharashtra shape file. It can do very easily. You just click the shape file on India. So here we have a first state Andhra Pradesh. You just click in the square. Now here we have an option that hello color. So when you click the hello color, then and OK, then the color of the the color of the Andhra Pradesh will be removed. So same thing you can do for the each country, each state. You just keep the color for the Maharashtra. In case of the Maharashtra shape file, you can keep the color only for the Nasik district. So here you can remove the color of the, we just select the Nagar, Ahmednagar. Just click the square. Again, the hello option is there. See, you can see the clearly that color of Ahmednagar district is removed here. Same way, you can one by one, you can remove the color of the all the states except Maharashtra here in the first shape file. In the second shape file, remove all the color of the remaining district except the Nasik district. So I already done this. So here you can see. So in the first shape file, I keep only color for the Maharashtra, and in the second shape file, I keep the color only for the Nasik district. So this is the third map of the Nasik district. So in Nasik district, we have a 15 tahsil. These are tahsil indicated by the separate color. But you can't identify. So which tahsil is here, which tahsil is here, which tahsil is here. So for that purpose, we have to insert the index or the legend for this map. So you just click this shape file, and we have option inserts, and here you can see the legend that we index. So there are the 15 tahsil. So you can reorganize them into the 4 columns. So next, we just click the next, then the index will be generated. See, now here we have a index, very nice index. But now we have to reorganize this row and column again. So for that purpose, you just click on this legend, right click. We have an option convert to graphic. Again, we have a click ungroup data. Ungroup data means these all things are separate from each other. So you can just click the legend, you can drag here. So here we have a tahsil, and no requirement for this map. You can delete this. Here also you can delete it. Name of tahsil is also not required, delete. Now these two tahsil you can drag here. So it look like good. So you just click here, see, and now this ready. So you can change the font color of the legend, or you can, instead of legend, you can type the index, and you can change the font size. Usually it 20 for the location map. You can apply. Yes, now it, yes. Now again you have to group this all this feature in a single group. See, now it is ready. So index is ready. Now you can insert the north for the our study area map. Here we have option north. So this is the north. So here's the north. You can drag them as per your requirement. I drag here. So this is the north. Now you can insert the scale bar also. So scale bar is also, you just click. So yes, this is scale bar, but you can reorganize the properties. We require the only 2 division. So here we have a meter. Instead of meter, you can write the kilometer, or even you can label k.m, kilometer. So apply, yes. So this is the scale for this map. It can be changed as per the proportion of the or the length of this scale. So yes, so this is the scale bar is ready. So you can also add the name for the this bar as a scale. You just insert the text. Yes, text is here. You can drag here and you can type name scale. Yes, scale. Yes, then again you have to change the font size. By default it is a 10. You can increase up to the 18. You just reset this, apply. Okay, the scale is ready. Yes, so scale bar is ready. North is ready, index is ready. Now we have to insert the title for the maps. The title, location map. You can write the location map Nashik district, districts, Nashik district, Maharashtra, and you can keep the India in bracket, India. Okay, again we have to change the font size. You know that the by default it is a usually less, so it is up to the 22. It's okay. So apply. Yes. Now the title is ready. You just drag here. Title is ready. Now we have to give the name for this first shape file. This is the India. You can insert the text again. Text. Text here. You can write the India. Again the change your font size. It may be up to the 20. It's good. So apply. So size. So this is the name. You can drag here. Same thing for the Maharashtra. You can insert the text. Yes, Maharashtra. Yes, you can write the Maharashtra. Again, don't forget to change the font size. Yes, 20. So apply. Okay. So Maharashtra text. So yes, we assign the name for the India shape file. Assign the name for the Maharashtra shape file. And here is the now. Now our map is ready. You can export file. So export the map. Here you can rename the location map, and on your desktop you can save it. So yes, you can see here the process that the map is export. It is ready for our use. So this show the percentage. Yes, yes, it is the full. So this is the map is ready. You can open. See the very nice map is uploading. See, you can see the very nice map. Now your map is ready for your further use. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel for your next tutorial. Okay, again thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today